Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating, updating, checking the status, and deleting a CloudFormation stack using the AWS CloudFormation Management Console. So let's get started. Go to aws.com, then sign into your console using your AWS credentials. Once you're logged in, go to AWS Management homepage and search for CloudFormation in search bar. You'll be taken to a CloudFormation dashboard. To create a new stack, click on Create Stack button. In the Create Stack wizard, you can choose to use a sample template or upload your own template. For this tutorial, we'll use our own custom template. Click on Template is ready and we'll upload a template. Next, you'll be asked for stack details. Give your stack name and if required, adjust any parameters specific to the template. Review the details of the stack to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, click on Create Stack. This is the code and we're trying to create a simple S3 bucket. If you check on events, it will show as the events get executed. And as we can see, our stack file has been executed, showing create complete. If we go to our stacks and refresh, that's what we see here. To update our stack directly from console, from stack details page, click on update stack. We could choose replace the current template and then upload the template file. In a file, let's change this to DBE and then upload it. Review the changes and then submit them. As we could see, update in process. We could go to S3 and check what's happening. In our buckets, as we can see, our bucket name has been updated and it says update complete. If you want to check the status of the stack at any time, simply select the stack from the list and a complete overview will be displayed. To delete the stack, select the stack you want to delete and click on the delete button. A confirmation window will appear. Click on the delete stack to proceed. The CloudFormation console will now show the status of the deletion as delete in progress. The stack and its associated resources will be removed from your AWS account. Congratulations, you have learned how to create, update, check the status and delete a CloudFormation stack using AWS Management Console. CloudFormation makes it easy to manage your AWS resources with just few clicks. If you want to explore more features and customization options, be sure to check out AWS CloudFormation documentation. In next video, we'll do it through our terminal.